Well, welcome to the Storm Dev YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Plutonium T6, which is the Black Ops 2 version of Plutonium. Link in the description for the Discord channel. If you want to download, you're going to need to download Priori.exe. Now there's two ways of using Priori to get Plutonium working. So make a folder on your desktop. You can call it Black Ops 2. If you already own the game on Steam, you can also stick Priori into your Steam folder, and that will speed things up a lot. So you've got Black Ops 2, this is an empty folder. You've got an option, I can move it into there, and if you double click, within seconds it's going to start downloading. However, it will say that it gets stuck on downloading 5 file. Do not panic, that is absolutely normal. This, if you haven't got the game installed, it's going to be downloading the game plus the DLC plus the client, and this can take time. So it's a matter of being patient and just waiting for Priori to do its stuff. For me, to speed this video up, I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to move Priori back onto my desktop, and I already have a old copy of redacted T6, including the installation of redacted. So I'm going to move Priori into here, and what it's going to do is, it may say this, I'm going to say yes, because I know this is fine. It's found 745, so it's now just going to be a lot quicker. So my recommendation to people is to go and get Black Ops via the legitimate source, just the base game. You don't need to buy the DLC, and then you'll be able to download stuff such as Black Ops 2 via Priori. You can just download the client files, which makes things a lot easier. Obviously at the moment we are supplying Plutonium is supplying the original game with the Priori downloader, because just to make sure people aren't using repacks. So the pirated copy that you got from Skid Row, Fit Girl, or any, don't use that, because a lot of the files are outdated or broken. It's just better off running this overnight and letting Priori download. Now, some common problems: when you download Priori and you run it, it closes or disappears, or it says 0 kilobytes here. That usually means antivirus has detected the file as malware. So what you need to do is you need to run Priori. You need to go into your antivirus, but you need to Google and add it as an exception to make sure that it doesn't detect on it again. My also advice would be to add the whole folder to an exception list, because there's another file that often gets detected as malware by antivirus software, which is the T6R DLL. A lot of the time when people go to run the game after downloading it, it will say T6R DLL is missing. That's because your antivirus has deleted it. Unfortunately, there's not much we can do. We don't have Plutonium isn't supplying a signature certificate, so you'll just have to make do. And before you ask, this is not a virus. I will demonstrate in a few minutes me running this on my own computer. I'm not going to be running a random piece of software I don't know, and if you don't trust it and you really think it is a virus, please do not bother downloading it. Don't run it. If you are interested in playing Black Ops 2, it's wonderful. And soon there will be a anti-cheat available for the game. This will will prevent cheaters from ruining the experience for everybody. Obviously, I understand this can be quite frustrating that at the moment there isn't an anti-cheat, but it isn't a planned update. So once it's ready, you can get updates via the Plutonium Discord, which is down in the description. If you need to get Priory.exe, there's two ways. You can go to plutonium.pw, which is the official website. You can scroll down and click Black Ops 2 download. Alternatively, you can go into the Discord, go into the README channel. You can find all the information. You can also find a handy dandy guide. You can also find FAQs. If you get stuck and you can't find it in the README, or if you can't find it in the FAQ, in the Discord there is available a support channel. But please, whatever you do, please read the README and please read the FAQs before asking questions. And for the reason why I'm making this video is to reduce the amount of questions people get asked. As you can see, it's as simple as literally clicking the file, and it does look like it gets stuck at points. It's not. It's downloading. There is a problem with the content distribution network Cloudflare slowing down downloads. At the end of the day, my advice is just leave it overnight, let it download, come back in the morning and you see how it is. Or, you know, I appreciate that some people might be worried if your internet drops out or your computer closes, what happens? Well, Priory is incredibly good. It can actually detect pre-existing game files, pre-existing downloads, and basically anything that it hasn't already downloaded, it will start downloading. Anything that's also broken, missing, corrupted, it will sort it out. It's a wonderful tool, and although it doesn't look like much, it's doing its thing. At the moment it says it's, you know, downloading file 98 out of 745. It's going to get stuck at points. That's the way things go. Just bear with us and it will get sorted before you know it. I will join you after this is done. Right, so after letting it play and let it download, you get to the point where it will say done. To play multiplayer, start the tr6 mp.exe, or to play zombies, and then you just click enter and it closes. And then when you scroll down here, you will find tr6, t6r, t6r. So these ones are the important ones. You won't get most of the other crap that you get in here. But if I just literally look at this one, it was created today. T6R, this is the DLL that usually gets deleted. This is Plutonium T6. If that gets deleted, check your antivirus once again. So it's as simple as running this, and fingers crossed I won't get any errors. And yeah, it's loading up on the other screen. You will get an empty console, which can't really help. And with any luck, I should be able to go and do this, and we should be able to go to... Ah yes, of course. I was kicked because I didn't have a unique nickname. So what you need to do is you need to go name and then Storm Dev, for example, but you can stick anything you like in there. Boom. Continue to main menu. Now here you can go to online. Right. If you do, so you need to click, so for example, if you continue to main menu, you might get stuck on this screen, which means you need to press escape and the Plutonium T6 menu will appear. And then you can do the wonderful thing of going to search. We're going to go to Reaction Gaming. And we are going to join the TDM Connect. and that's beginning. There we are. And your game is now working. Quit. And the same goes for zombies. So in zombies, the unlock all doesn't actually do anything. If you go to server browser, you'll be able to browse servers. For example, you can go to... let's go reaction game again here. You can play farm, you can play town. Yes, we do have a town server. So that is the game working. Any issues, you can go into the Discord channel. That is linked down in the description. Not only the Discord channel, but also the FAQ section and everything else you need on the forum. But it's also available via the Discord. Support's available for the Discord. I won't be able to give supply support via the comments. But if you go to the Discord linked in the description, you'll be able to go and get some support. Thank you, and this has been Storm Dev.